Hello guys, I'm Victor Nyonyi. This is our site GW Plaza. Welcome as we take you through service and maintenance routine. Welcome all, just follow us. Hello sir. Yeah, I'm fine. So today we have come to do service and maintenance, the normal routine. So please allow us to service your lift and to check it.
Yes, please.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, welcome now. Right now we are in the machine room type of elevator. So we are in the machine room, and the first thing when we enter into the machine room, we need to check the condition of the controller, how it is. Like right now, how it is, it has been serviced like 2 days ago. It's not in bad condition. So mostly we check on the dust. If it's too much, you can blow in or remove the dust. And also in the controller, we have several controllers, like the slow down button, common and slow down, and stop switch. Mostly we need to check how the controllers are working, if they are active or not, and also checking on the loose bolts and nuts to make sure that the elevator is safe. We also have the transformer. We need to know the condition of the transformer, the fuses the way they are, and the plugs the way they are. Yeah, now friends, right now the elevator is running in the normal state. We don't want to interfere with the elevator because people are inside. And the goodness with the elevator, like ours is a step 380S drive, which is here. So in case of any callback or any fault in the machine, we have this gadget. It is called a keypad. It shows you everything, how the elevator is operating. Like right now we are seeing it is in the normal state. Floor 15, it is closing. If you want to check any fault that has occurred currently, you can just press F1. So it is just easy for you to troubleshoot the problem and you work on the fault, then it will be okay. We have this consumer, the junction box. We have several circuit breaker here. We have the breaker for light socket and the 3-phase circuit breaker. So these are very essential part that you need to know. We check the tightening of the nuts and screws, if they're okay. If there's any problem, you can feel it or you can smell it if there's anywhere that is burning. We also have ARD, the automatic rescue device. We need to know if it is in the normal state. I think we shall do a video, short clip, or to test how it works later on the next video. We have the isolator switch there. it's in the good condition. And we also have the CCU that splits the current that we need in the machine. The motor needs to be in the good state, like the cover. We need to check that the cover is in the good state. It is not making any noise when there is motion. We also need to know that the brake connection is okay. The dust is not entering in, and right now ours is fine. There is no any issue. We also have the governor. Our governor is very okay. It is covered well, so there is nothing bad. And another thing that is very important in the machine room should be very neat, because the way you see right here, we have cleaned the machine room. Is very clean, no dust, it is neat, and the arrangement of things is very okay. We are going to the next step. We're going in the shaft, and we're going to check top of car safety and top of car cleanness, and also we are going to take you through how to service the landing door. Now we are going to top of car. I want to check how the top of car is. So guys, welcome. Let me get my tools inside just to show you some of very crucial things that we want to make sure that is okay, so that our elevator can run very well. Yeah, you can come in. Okay guys, now we are checking the landing door of the elevator. We're just checking one of them, and there are several things that we want to check into that are very crucial, that when the elevator is running but they're not okay, it will cause a very big effect. So first thing, we have these the door interlock module, this one. So we need to make sure that there is an air gap in between the interlock modules, because if there is no any air gap in between, the landing door can fail to open. This will cause the passengers to stuck in. Another thing, we need to make sure that this conductor is very tight, and we use these nuts to do adjustment, make sure that they are very tight for safety. Another thing is about the conductors, and if you want to check how these conductors are engaging, we can open here to be sure of what you're doing instead of guessing. And it is good that you need to have a proper tool to help you in your work, to avoid injuries. Yeah. So when you open and you see how the locks are engaging very well. We have this stopper. It helps the door not to bang so hard. Then we have the male. This is the male and the female, then male conductor. They must engage in a good way, and they need to be tight. So you just need to confirm to avoid it from moving to another direction. And yeah, we have checked on the conductors, the female conductor and male conductor, they're okay. And sometimes when the nuts are not tight, it can lead to an open circuit where the lift will bring in an error of door not closing. So we need to make sure that the nuts and bolts are very tight. Again, we have this lock here. You need to make sure that the lock also tight, because after some time they may move to a different direction, affecting the closing and opening of the landing door. So it's good that you make sure it's tight. Very crucial. So right now it's very okay. Then also this one, you need to be so tight for safety. Again, another very important thing is we have the pulley hanger. All of these parts, it has an eccentric roller. It is hidden this side. This roller is very important for balancing the space, the gap of the door, at least to be in a good to have a good space that a person cannot put in his or her hand or something that is big to affect the motion of the elevator. So it's good that you check the eccentric roller, to balance it to the appropriate measurement for the door, for the good opening and closing of the landing door. So this gap, as you see, it's okay, it's not bad, it's fine. Then another thing that is very important, some technicians I've seen, they always forget this bolt, which is very important. When this one is loose, the operating operation of the landing door will not be that fine. So we need to make sure that it's in good state, so that it cannot affect the opening of the door when the car door opens. So guys, another crucial thing that I was almost forgetting is when the door is closing and opening in a month time or 3 months, they form what we call soot on the rail. This will cause the door not to close fully, and this one will cause the interlock not to lock the way it's supposed to be. So when the car door will be opening, it cannot open the door. It can also cause passengers to stuck in the elevator. So it's good that at least you find something, you remove it, so that the normal operation of the landing door can be okay. Then we have this lock, the triangle module lock. It's very crucial too. It must be tight, so that it can prevent the landing door from touching the door frame. We also have these brackets, the bolt here. We need to make sure that they are tight, so that the landing door cannot move towards the car when it's moving. And also, it's good to check the terminals the way they are. Some end up wearing and tear out, so it's important to check. If it is bad, just replace it. We also have the landing seal, and the landing seal is also very crucial to check how it is. Sometimes the skid of the car may be closer to the landing seal, so we also need to check how it is. So guys, shall move a little bit slower, so that we can focus on our seal. Okay. So the seal, most of the time the seal is affected by darts, small stones, and people throw things inside, some pegs. So it's important, it is crucial that you check if there is dust. You can use a blower to blow out the dust, to make sure that the door is running smoothly. Yeah, for us, our door is very well, it's running smoothly without any issue. We also have the door shoes. These ones are also very important. You can call it the door shoe or the door slide. We need to check if the shoe is well tightened for the safety, because if the shoe is not tightened, you can find it. You can, it may make the landing door to stuck when opening, and it will also cause the passengers to stuck inside if the door is open. So guys, it's important to make sure that it is well. So after there, I think all is well. There is nothing that I've forgotten. We also have some parts that are also crucial. We have the landing door weight. It's also very important that you check there are no stones inside, so that the movement of the weight inside its way it's very smooth, to avoid landing door stacking. Yeah, and also it has some bolts and nuts. You need to make sure that it's well tightened. Yeah, so up to there we are okay. Yeah, so we also have oil caps on top of car. For us, we have this oil cap. You need to make sure for the oil cap is well set. It's not in bad condition, well held for proper movement of the car. And the oil cap is supposed to be filled depending on the working of the elevator. Some of them it can take a month, some of them 3 months, depending on how it is being used in the site. So for oil cap, it's not that bad. At least it's almost half full. So it's in good condition.